Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And today in this video, I'm going to unbox the all new Oppo Reno 13 series. So this is here the Oppo Reno 13 Pro, and Oppo is calling this phone the O phone because this is meant to decrease the gap between Android and iOS. Also, this device is going to give you iPhone level experience and in-hand feel while keeping it budget friendly. Now the question is, does it really lives up to that promise or not? So let's dive deep and figure it out. So here we have the Oppo Reno 13 Pro, and this is the 256 GB variant. So let's open up the box and let's see what we have in it. And here we have it. So here we have a small box. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have the stickers. This is the quick guide. And here we have our TPU case. But this TPU case looks kind of nice. Okay, here we have the device itself. And then we have a charging brick, which is 80 watt. Cool. Then we have charging cable. This is a nice way to keep the SIM ejector pin. Okay, now let's talk about the device itself. So here we have the device, and now let's open it up. Damn. My goodness. This looks beautiful. This is beyond my expectations. Really. I mean, doesn't it really looks like an iPhone in budget? Oh, yes, this does, because this is the O phone. This is meant to give you iPhone level of premiumness and in-hand feel in budget. So let me tell you about the O phone. Now, first of all, let's talk about design and build quality. If you have ever held an iPhone on your hand, you will know instantly why this is called the O phone. Oppo has gone with a single glass back design, much like what you would see on an iPhone. The back panel has this really nice matte texture finish, and the glass used for the camera module is glossy. But here's the cool part. It actually blends in really smoothly with the rest of the back panel. The seamless transition gives the whole phone a very premium look and feel. And the form factor is another thing that I love about this device. This device feels like a little square with flat edge, kind of like an iPhone design, and honestly, it feels great in hand. It's not too bulky, it's not too thin, it's just the right balance. The build quality here is really impressive for our phone in this price range. Now, if we are comparing this device with an iPhone, you know iPhone is not only famous for its design, its hardware, it's also the iOS, the OS, the software. So this device comes with the ColorOS 15, and let me tell you, this version is packed with customization options that gives your Android phone a whole new look. From theme settings to icon arrangement, the Flux theme can tweak pretty much everything to make it truly yours. Now, if you have seen the packaging clearly, it says Oppo AI phone. So yes, the Oppo Reno 13 series brings a collection of AI tools, from AI detail boost to AI image reflection remover to AI eraser 2.0. Also, there are ton of other AI features. Now, there is another feature that I am truly excited to test it out about this Oppo Reno 13 series is this device comes with not one, two IP ratings, IP68 and IP69 rating. Also, Oppo is saying that you can legit do underwater photography with this device. I mean, that's just crazy. So I'm really excited to test it out. I have not yet, but I'll share my experience in my full review, which is coming really soon. This is my first impression only, so keeping it short. Now, I would like to mention one more thing about the O phone is if you have ever tried to transfer data or images or any files between an Android and iPhone, you would know how much struggle that is, and there are no simple way. But that ends here because this device features a feature that is known as share with iPhone. So you have to just download an app called OConnect on iPhone, and then it just works like AirDrop on your iPhone and just like Quick Share on your Android. And believe me, that is a game-changing feature. So kudos to Oppo for introducing this feature. So that's it for today. This is my unboxing and first impression of the Oppo Reno 13. And if I have to sum it up, my first impression in a single line, I have to say I am truly impressed by the design, the in-hand feel, and the color OS 15. I mean, man, this is smooth. Also, the design, I mean, I have to highlight this design looks really cool. If you are searching for a device in this price range and you are looking for a device with iPhone level of experience and in-hand feel, I mean, the Oppo Reno 13 series is just for you. Also, I will test it and make a full review of it. So if you guys have any question about the Reno 13 series, do let me know in the comment section down below. And let me test it out for few days and let's check out the cameras. I have not talked about cameras because I have not tested it yet and I don't like to just say out the specifications. You can find that out on Oppo's website. So let me test it out and then I'll share my experience and feedback about the cameras, about the whole device. So this is all for today. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.